Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys the coins and the bank notes that are currently being circulated in Japan. The Japanese money is called yen. The smallest coin is called the 1 yen. The 1 yen is very light and it's very small. It doesn't really have much value when you convert it to like a US dollar currency. I'm gonna also insert the conversions as well. So next, this is the 5 yen. The 5 yen is, again, doesn't have much of a value. Here you'll see how the front and the back of the coin looks. Next we have the 10 yen. Again, not much value when you convert it to US dollars. And also this information that I'm putting in the video, remember guys that every day the exchange rate fluctuates, so this might not be the most accurate information, but you get an idea of what the value is. Next we have the 50 yen. I could not locate another 50 yen coin, but this is the front of the coin, and I'm gonna show you the back of the coin. Yeah, this is the back of the coin, the 50 yen coin. As you can see here, the 5 yen and the 50 yen, they both have holes in the middle of the coin. Next we have the 100 yen. The 100 yen. In Jamaica, 100 Jamaican dollars is actually a note, but in Japan it's a coin. So this is a 100 yen coin in Japan. And finally, the highest coin here in Japan is the 500 yen coin. In Jamaica, for 500 Jamaican dollars, it's actually a bank note. Here you have it. These are the coins used in Japan. Next we have the bank notes. So the lowest banknote that is here is the 1000 yen. This is what the front of the note looks like. I'm going to show you the back of it in a sec. And this is the back of it. I don't know what these mean, but yeah. Also guys, there is a 2000 yen note, but I've only seen it like twice. So there's 1000 yen, then 2000 yen, then 5000 yen. This is what the 5000 yen looks like. Of course, I'm gonna be showing you guys the back of it as well in a sec. And finally we have the 10,000 yen. 10,000 yen, which is what the machine loves to give people when you go there to withdraw. But anyways, this is what it looks like. Again, I'm gonna be showing you the back of it. I have noticed that the cents aren't used in Japan. So if you go to the store or the supermarket or wherever, you won't see items there for example 1,599 cents. You won't see that. You'll just see 1,500. So that's how it is in Japan. Anyways guys, please remember to thumbs up my video. Please remember to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.